All right, guys, we are here at Wooden City Tavern in Green Lake in beautiful Seattle, and we just finished shooting with the DZOFILM X-TRACT probe zoom lens. This is an amazing lens because not only is it a probe, it's also a zoom. It goes from 18 to 28 millimeters at a constant f8. And we did some awesome stuff, which you'll see. We shot some drinks, we shot making of some drinks. We've got some good demonstrations of how to use this with a motion control system. We're using the iFootage Shark Slider Nano 2. And basically, I just want to go over some of the highlights of this lens. If you're using it for this type of work, for commercial work, for food, it's basically a 2-to-1 macro for close-up macro cinematography, where you can get shots that you normally couldn't because of the design of the lens. So the X-TRACT comes in 3 different lens configurations. We're working with the 0mm straight probe, but it also comes with a 90-degree periscope and a 360-degree rotating lens. So you can get really unique angles, especially when you combine it with a motion control system, where you have pan, tilt, and yaw movement on a vertical axis or a horizontal axis. You can get some really compelling shots like what we've gotten here at Wooden City Tavern today. So I'll give you some highlights of the lens. Obviously, it's a macro probe. It comes in a PL mount, and as you can see, we're running it with the Modular Poco with the rear drop-in ND filter, so rear drop-in NDs work great with it. It's an 18 to 28, all at a constant f8. It's also waterproof and IP57 rated for the 28 centimeter depth right here. So you can actually go in and out of liquids. Our drinks were too tasty today to try and dip into them, but that part of the lens is IP57 rated. It's obviously got amazing lens elements that minimize focus breathing and distortion. So we have a total of 7 HRI elements, and we have 6 ED extra low dispersion elements. So it's virtually no chromatic aberration, no distortion, no focus breathing. Absolutely amazing cinema grade lens here that you can shoot macro, but you can just use it as a regular lens for another angle if you want, because you do have a little bit of a zoom. It also comes with a lot of cool stuff like support rings and shims included in the case. It comes with a really nice hard grade pressurized waterproof case. That's super nice. Like I said, we shot here at Wooden City Tavern in Seattle and got amazing close-ups of our bar drink menus. So if you're in the Seattle area, definitely come and check out Wooden City Tavern. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. This has been Reza Malieri, and I will see you in the next video.